subtracting decimals. Again, like I said in my adding decimals, you need to make sure you have a look at this subtracting whole numbers first before you jump onto this one. So you should have some knowledge already on how to subtract. So let's get started. So I'll give myself a number. Let's make it a big number. 1068 and let's say 23 hundredths. Subtract 479 and 55 hundredths. Now decimals are often what we use when we're using money. So money is in everyday life, especially in the future when we are using online digital currencies. So knowing what a decimal is and how to add and subtract is really important. So I will do my thinking tracks for my decimals only. First one, hundredths first, because it's the furthest number to the right. 3 hundredths take away 5 hundredths. Can I do it? So 3 hundredths subtract 5 hundredths. Can I do it? No. Rename for R. I rename 1/10. So I'm going to cross one of my tenths out. I have 1/10 left. And I rename that as hundredths. So I'll have 13 hundredths. Remember, 1/10 makes 10 hundredths. So I've renamed, and now I have 13 hundredths take away 5 hundredths equals 8 hundredths. So all I need to do now is put my 8 hundredths in the hundredths column. Next step, 1/10 take away 5 tenths. Can I do it? Let's write that out. 1/10 subtract 5 tenths. No, I can't subtract 5 tenths from 1/10. So I need to rename. Rename 1/1. Now 7 ones. And 1/1 makes 10 tenths. So now I have 11 tenths. So rename 11 tenths. Take away 5 tenths equals 6 tenths. So I simply put my 6 tenths with my other tenths. Put my decimal point. Now at this point I'm not doing my thinking tracks because you should know how to do this. So 7 ones take away 9 ones. I can't do. I rename 1/10, 5 tens and 17 ones. So 17 ones take away 9 ones is 8 ones. 5 tens take away 7 tens. Can I do it? No. So I need to rename 100. I've got 10 hundredths. So I've now got 9 hundredths and 15 tens. 15 tens take away 7 tens is 8 tens. 9 hundredths take away 4 hundredths is 5 hundredths. Now, I am very confident that I got that correct. So let's check on our calculator. 1068 and 23 hundredths. Take away 479 and 55 hundredths. 588 and 68 hundredths. There you go. I got my answer. Again, I showed you in my addition how I can start with a different number. I can go 588 and 68 hundredths plus 479 and 55 hundredths. So I'm doing the inverse operation and I get my original total. Good luck.